Okay, so in this sub-lesson, we're going to introduce Power BI Mobile. We'll discuss Power BI Mobile features, and we'll demo building for Power BI Mobile. All right, so let's just quickly review the Power BI high-level architecture first. So what we had done at the very beginning of this lesson is we took our work in the form of the PBX file and published it into the Power BI service using the publish process. Once the work was actually in the Power BI service, which was accessible through a web browser, it is almost instantaneously made available to the Power BI mobile app. So if you have the mobile app installed on a device, you can almost instantaneously get at that content. So some of the features of Power BI Mobile is that you're able to get at your apps. You can get into the workspaces that you've created. You can launch your dashboards and reports. You can view notifications and a few other things as well. But those are the key things that you can do on the mobile device. In a moment here, we're going to show you creating a dashboard that is optimized for a phone by getting into the mobile view in the actual service itself. And as a note, you can actually do this mobile configuration down in the desktop as well. Now, we didn't cover it in this course. Okay, so let's go ahead and get ourselves to our service account again. Okay, so what we're going to do is come back over to our dashboard, and on the edit command right here, I can click this drop down and I can go over here to mobile view, which is going to take us to an emulator view of what your report or dashboard in this case will look like on a mobile device. So I can go ahead here and rearrange the tiles if I want. Maybe there's some tiles like this to say this map one, I don't want it on the actual dashboard of the mobile device. I can click that pin there and it'll remove it from there. And then we can have our dashboard looking like this. I can go back here and actually click reset tiles, which is going to reset them back to the original size and order. And once I'm all finished that stuff, then I can actually head back out of the phone view over to the web view. So I can move out of this and back over to what the dashboard would look like for the web. Okay, so that's all we really wanted to show you in terms of things that you could do with Power BI Mobile in terms of doing some reconfiguration of the layout for the mobile device, showing you how to go about doing that, and also just kind of listing off some of the key features that are available within Power BI Mobile. And with that, we're at the end of this sub-lesson.